Hello everyone, welcome to this math problem where we are given this 22, and 2/3% of C is 44 kg. What is my C? This is the original 100%. So they tell me 22/29% represents 44 kg. So 1%, I will have to divide by 22, 2/9, and I will need to find 100%. Key in this carefully into your calculator, times 100, and that will give me a value of 198 kg. So therefore, since C represents 100%, C equals to 198. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Round Tan here. Always happy to share with you how to solve math problem.